Friends, this is my first video on sports, and this video contains most important multiple choice question answer on sports and games which are very important for your job exams. Then without wasting your time, let's start. First question, which was the first Asian city to host Olympics? The first Asian city to host Olympics is Tokyo, the capital city of Japan. In 1964, Summer Olympics was held in Tokyo. Next question. Question number 2. Davis Cup is associated with the game of lawn tennis. Question number 3. Playing It My Way is the autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar. Playing It My Way is the autobiography of former Indian cricketer Sachin Tendulkar. It was launched on 5th November in 2014 in the city of Mumbai. Got it? Let's go to the next question. Question number 4. Which national cricket team is called by kangaroos? I am sure you know the right answer of this question. The right answer will be option C, Australian cricket team. Yes friends, Australian cricket team is called by kangaroos. And for your kind information, Australian cricket team is also known by baggy greens, Aussies, and the Invincibles. Next question. Question number 5. Which is the largest cricket stadium of the world? It's a current affairs question. The right answer of this question is option B, Motera Stadium. Yes friends, according to 2020, Motera Stadium is the largest or biggest cricket stadium in the world with a seating capacity of 110,000 viewers. Motera Stadium is officially known to us as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium. Which is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. And Melbourne Cricket Ground, which is located in Australia, is the second largest cricket stadium in the world with a seating capacity of 124 viewers. Is that cleared? Next question. Question number 6. Which football player is known as Black Pearl? I think you know the right answer. The right answer will be option A, Pele. Pele was an eminent Brazilian football player during his time. Question number 7. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? It's a very important question for competitive exams. The right answer of this question is option C, Milkha Singh. During the 1958 Commonwealth Games, Milkha Singh ran excellently and he defeated Pakistani Abdul Khalik in this event in Lahore. After this victory of Milkha Singh, Pakistani General Ayub Khan gave him the nickname the Flying Sikh. Question number 8. What is the national game of England? Right answer, option D, cricket. Question number 9. Who was the first Indian to win an individual gold medal in Olympics? Right answer, option B, Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra won gold medal at the 2008 Beijing Olympics in the men's 10-meter air rifles. Let's go to the next question. Who is known as the flying fish in sports world? Right answer will be option A, Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps is an American swimmer who has won 23 Olympic gold medals. He holds the record for highest number of Olympic gold medals. Next question. Question number 11. Which country hosted the first Asian Games? The right answer of this question is India. Yes friends, the first Asian Games were organized in New Delhi, India in the year 1951. And for your kind information, India also hosted 1982's Asian Games in Delhi. Got it? Next question. Question number 12. Which country is known as the playground of Europe? It's a very important question. Can you guess the right answer? The right answer option D, Switzerland. Question number 13. The stick which is used to hit the ball in golf is called club.
आप लोग कमेंट में बताइए आप कितने आंसर का जवाब।
Question number 14. The term double fault is associated with which sport?
Write down the chat section.
The right answer option C, tennis. The term double fault is associated with the game of tennis. Next question. Question number 15. Thomas Cup is associated with badminton. Question number 16. What is the national game of the United States of America? The national game of the United States of America is baseball. Question number 17. The playground of baseball is known as diamond. What does WBF stand for? Right answer will be option A, Badminton World Federation. BWF or World Badminton Federation was founded or established on 5th July in the year 1934. And the headquarters of Badminton World Federation is located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Next question. Question number 19. Which player has scored the most runs in a single test innings? The player who has scored the most runs in a single test innings is Brian Lara. West Indies batsman Brian Lara has the highest individual score in test cricket. He scored 400 not out against England in 2004 at St. John's in Antigua. Is that cleared? Let's go to the next question. Question number 20. Who was the first Indian cricketer to take all 10 wickets in a test innings? The first Indian cricketer to take all 10 wickets in a test innings is Anil Kumble. Anil Kumble took 10 wickets for 74 at Delhi's Firozshah Kotla Group against Pakistan in 1999. Next question. Question number 21. The first batsman to score 10,000 runs in test cricket was Sunil Gavaskar from India. Question number 22. Who was the first Indian cricketer to score a century in test match? Right answer option D, Lala Amarnath. Lala Amarnath was the first Indian cricketer to score a test century for the Indian cricket team. He scored 118 runs against England at Gymkhana Ground, Bombay on 15 December in 1933. Next question. Who is the first Indian cricketer to score a century in One-Day International (ODI)? The first Indian cricketer to score a century in One-Day International is Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev scored 175 not out against Zimbabwe in 1983 World Cup. Question number 24. Who was the first Indian cricketer to take a hat-trick in Test cricket? Can you guess the right answer? The right answer of this question is option D, Harbhajan Singh. Yes friends, Harbhajan Singh became the first Indian cricketer to take hat-trick in Test cricket against Australia in 2001. And for your kind information, Irfan Pathan became second Indian bowler to take hat-trick in Test cricket against Pakistan in 2006. Got it? Next question. Question number 25. Who was the first Indian cricketer to take hat-trick in ODI? I hope you know the right answer. The right answer will be option B, Chetan Sharma. Chetan Sharma was the first Indian cricketer who had taken hat-trick wicket in ODI against New Zealand in 1987 World Cup. Question number 26. Which is the oldest football club in the world? The oldest football club in the world is option A, Sheffield FC. Sheffield FC or Sheffield Football Club was established on 24th October in 1857. Remember it. Next question. Cricket was originated in which country? It's an important question. You should know the right answer. The right answer will be option C, England. In 18th century, cricket game was originated in England. Got it? Next question. Question number 28. Which country is known as the home of cricket? Right answer option A, England. Question number 29. Wimbledon trophy is associated with the game of lawn tennis. Question number 30. What is the old name of table tennis? Right answer option A, ping pong. Question number 31. The national sport of Sri Lanka is volleyball. Question number 32. In which sport India has won 8 gold medals in the Olympic Games? Friends, you should know the right answer of this question. The right answer will be option D, field hockey. Yes friends, in field hockey India has won 8 gold medals in 1928, in 1932, in 1936, in 1948, in 1952, in 1956, in 1964 and in 1980. It's really amazing. This is a matter of pride for us. Next question. Question number 33. How many players are there on each side in the game of basketball? Right answer, 5 players. Question number 34. In 1988, who became the first Grandmaster of India? You definitely know the right answer of this question. The right answer will be option A, Viswanathan Anand. Viswanathan Anand became the first chess Grandmaster of India in 1988 and he was a former world champion also. Question number 35. Who was the first Indian to win an Olympic medal for India? The first Indian to win an Olympic medal for India is Khasaba Dadasaheb Jadhav or KD Jadhav. Khasaba Dadasaheb Jadhav was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic bronze medal in men's wrestling at the 1952 Helsinki Summer Olympics. KD Jadhav or Khasaba Dadasaheb Jadhav is popularly known to us as Pocket Dynamo? Remember it. Let's go to the next question. Question number 36. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal for India? The first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal for India was Karnam Malleswari. Karnam Malleswari won a bronze medal in the women's 69 kg category in weightlifting at the 2000 Sydney Olympic. Got it? Next question. Question number 37. Udan Pari and Pali Express are the nicknames of which Indian athlete? Right answer will be option B, PT Usha. PT Usha was an Indian track and field athlete. She is often called the Queen of Indian track and field. Question number 38. What is the name of the autobiography of PT Usha? The name of the autobiography of PT Usha is Golden Girl, and this autobiography was published in 1987. Question number 39. The term knockout is associated with which sport? Right answer option C, boxing. Question number 40. Which batsman started his international cricketing career at the age of 16? Right answer option D, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar made his test debut in Pakistan in 1989 while he was just 16 years old. Next question. Question number 41. Who is known as the Haryana Hurricane? Kapil Dev is known as the Haryana Hurricane. Question number 42. Which is the highest sporting award in India? It's a very important question. The highest sporting award in India is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is the highest sport honor in India. It was started to give from 1991 to 1992. Chess Grandmaster and a former world chess champion Viswanathan Anand was the first winner of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Next question. Question number 43. Dronacharya Award is given to coaches. Dronacharya Award is given for excellence in sports coaching in India. From 1985, Dronacharya Award was started to give. And you know, the award is named after Dronacharya or Guru Drona, a character from the ancient Indian epic Mahabharata. Is that clear? Let's go to the next question. Question number 44. The nickname of Glenn McGrath is Pigeon. Glenn McGrath is a former Australian cricketer. Question number 45. When was the first cricket test match played? Right answer option D, 1877. And this match was played between Australia and England at Melbourne Cricket Ground. And for your more information, Australia won this match. Next question. Question number 26. When was the first cricket ODI match played? The first cricket ODI match was played on 5th January in 1971 between Australia and England at the Melbourne Cricket Ground. Question number 47. Which is the largest cricket ground in India in terms of boundary length? The largest cricket ground in India in terms of boundary length is the Vidarbha Cricket Association Stadium or VCA Stadium in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Next question. Question number 48. The National Sports Day is celebrated in India on 29th August. Yes friends, 29th of August is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. Question number 49. The National Sports Day is celebrated in India on the birthday of which person? The National Sports Day is celebrated in India on 29th August on the birthday anniversary of Indian hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. Last and final question, question number 50. Who is called the magician of hockey? It's a very important question for competitive or job exams. The right answer will be option B, Dhyan Chand. He is also known to us as the Wizard. Friends, I hope you have liked this video. So please like and share it and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. And one more thing, how much you have liked this video, don't forget to let me know in the comment box. Thank you friends for being with me and watching this video. Thank you so much.